Alright, so we're rushing, no? Kasi late ako nagising.
Something that Joel will be really happy about. So alright, so kakarating lang namin dito, kakalaan lang sa airport sa Loy.
So, galing sa airport, nasakay na tayo dito sa van. Diretso tayong racetrack para mag track inspection and everything. Kasi si Sam, late na namin pinapunta para ma-lessen yung days na andito siya sa Thailand. Kasi mina-maximize namin yung oras niya kasama dun si Joel para maasikaso niya yung pamilya ni Joel and everything else, no? So, tingnan na namin para we'll see whatever we can do to help Sam. And then bukas na si Sam, di na siguro kami magko-qualify, diretso na lang sa race. After race, diretso na lipat si Sam, same day uwi sa Australia because he's trying to maximize his time there for Joel. So tingnan natin ano itsura ng track. Hopefully we still get good results, but whatever it is, we're here, we're doing it for Joel. So that's all that matters.
Alright, so eto guys, no, last time share ko na lang yung plano namin ni Joel. Since high speed galing doon, high speed pababa. So it's a finish line jump. Tapos downhill pababa, then diretso dito parang tabletop. Plano sana ni Joel, etong table na to, ang receiver niyan is eto. Yan, plano sana ni Joel, galing dito full throttle na siya, galing doon full throttle all the way, dito take off, doon siya magla-landing na sa first wave kung saan si Yoyo ngayon nakatayo. Yan yung gusto niya tirahin sana ngayon para maka-break away siya kaagad. Last time hindi niya magawa because last time when he raced here, injured pa siya. Tapos yung bago yung motor niya, yung suspension hindi pa tonado. Ngayon perfect na sana lahat, tas fit na siya. Ito yung plano niya, jump dito all the way hanggang doon sa gawin niyang receiver yon. Sayang lang he didn't make it here to try it out.
Alright, so we're rushing, no? Kasi late ako nagising. Kasi last night nakatulog ako very early. Hindi ko na-charge yung phone ko at hindi ko na-set yung alarm. So it's past noon. I have to rush to the track.
So tapos na yung official practice nila today, na lahat. And then bukas will be time qualifying. And then the following day will be race day. Tingnan natin ano resulta sa qualifying tomorrow. Alright, so qualifying time na sa Pro MX2. At dito na sa loob ng track si Song, si Cam. Tingnan natin kung ano yung results ngayon and kung pangilan mga riders natin. Alright, so sa Pro MX2 si Sam third sa qualifying, and then ang next is si Rayo Ipanag, number 8 sa Junior 125. So na-stop midway yung qualifying sa 450 kasi tumemplang yung isang rider with Saron. So nag-flag muna sila ng mga 5 minutes siguro. Ngayon, proceed. Right, so ang results sa MX1 qualifying for today, si Alpha Racing is third. Tapos si Sam is 9. Bukas race day na. Tingnan natin ano resulta for the race day tomorrow. Wish us luck. Alright, so today is race day for round 6. We'll just have a quick breakfast and then diretso tayo sa racetrack. Alright.
สวัสดีครับเป็นทีมแข่งครับเป็นทีมแข่งครับ
Alright, so it's time now. It's
the first race is
time
for
to
Pro
race. So
MX2
first is
at 10 at 10:30, and after that for the
hopefully makuha natin yung champion na goal natin para kay Joel, pero whatever it is, just for Sam to be here to race is already something that Joel will be really happy about. So tingnan natin ano resulta, hopefully favorite sa atin. Small wheel. Tignan natin ano resulta niya. Right, so i-ready natin yung motor ni Joel
transponder as good engineering point. Thank you.
Sa 12:30, may ceremony for Joel. So si Sam, nagbibihis na ngayon. Siya sasakay sa motor ni Joel. Ikot sila sa racetrack. Half lap lang to resemble a half mast. Parang flag na half mast lang. To honor Joel and to pay our respects to Joel. So, ready natin ngayon para mga sakyan ni Sam.
We ride for them, we ride for pride.
Thank you, Joel.
Local streets to world acclaim. We carry honor in your names. Team Good Boy roars, we light the flame. Evans and Enzo, you're still in the race. In every engine too.
Alright, so sa 85cc, double champion ulit si Oat Tanawat, yung 555 rider natin. And then ngayon, ang lalabas, fourth pala si Rayo sa Junior 125. And then ngayon, labas siya ulit para sa Junior MX2.
It has no end. We ride for them, we ride for pride, for every Filipino dream that never died. From local streets to world acclaim, we carry honor in your names. Team Good Boy roars, we light the flame. Evans and Enzo, you're still in the race.
ผมครับลำดับต่อไปนะครับในส่วนของ
นิดนึงครับผมขอบพระคุณมากครับ
Alright, so medyo late tayo today. Race day na kaagad for round 7. Na-off schedule kami. So rushing lahat. So ayan, si Sam palabas na sa gate.
และนี่คือยอดรายได้ของการแข่งขันตรงนี้นะครับ
For them, for the dreams they
Alright, so si Oat 555 champion ulit for round 7 sa 85cc big wheel. Ngayon, nagpa-practice na sila ni Alpha Lifting para sa round 7. Si Sam umuwi na kasi kailangan niya pumunta doon para masikaso si Joel. Tignan natin yung practice ni Adel. Alright, so katatapos lang ni Oat sa 85cc small wheel. champion siya ulit. So, for round 7, double champion siya ulit. Ngayon, papasok after nila Oat 555 is si Rayu sa Junior 125 to stroke. So, ayan si Rayu. Ready na lahat. Medyo problemado lang ngayon yung motor namin. Walang dulo. Pero we just try to get the best start. Tapos, tingnan natin kung saan position sa mga finish. Hello! Hello! Alright. Alright, so ngayon ang nasa racetrack, starting in si Rayo ulit para sa MX2 Pro Juniors.
ได้เลยนะครับสำหรับในเพจนะครับของการแข่งขันนะครับซึ่งการแข่งขันร่วมเป็นสักขีพยานกันให้กับนักแข่งทั้ง 5 คนบนโพเดียมนะครับ from Team Football MX Indonesia เป็นนักแข่งอินโดนีเซียนะครับใช่ครับและตำแหน่งที่